Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana Belushkina. I'm an assistant professor in international management here at Franklin, and for MSIM program I'm teaching the course called Cultural Intelligence and Diversity Management Practices. At the end of Cultural Intelligence and Diversity Practices for Business course, we expect that the students will be able to distinguish between stereotypes, prejudices, and discrimination, and also that the students will understand the relationship between diversity management practices and policies and organizational performance. Diversity represents one of the key challenges for businesses in the modern world. When the students will complete this course, actually they will obtain necessary theoretical background in diversity management, and they will be able to provide equal opportunities for employees and make their organizations benefit from diversity.